In this video, we are going to discuss about device management function carried out by the operating system. So let's first define device management formally. The process of implementation, operation and maintenance of a device by the operating system is called device management. Now there are many devices that are attached to our computer system. Printer, fax machine, even file servers, or the keyboard or the mouse. These are all external devices that are attached to the CPU that need to be managed by the operating system. The operating system acts as an interface to the user. So it has to act as an interface between the user and the device also. When many processes are accessing those devices or they are requesting to use that device. For example, I have queued say 10 documents to be printed to the same printer, or on a network there are many users and out of that 5 or 7 have requested the use of printer. So what the operating system will do? The operating system will have to coordinate with the device driver. If you remember correctly, in a previous video we have discussed that device driver is the software that manages a device. When you install a device, then you must have a device driver. Why this device driver is required? So that it can coordinate with the operating system and enable the operating system to handle the device properly. So processes that access device through the system call interface, a programming interface is provided by the operating system. In this video, we have understood how the operating system provides us an interface to the different devices that are attached to our computer. In the next video, we are going to discuss about different types of operating systems.